you're going to start doing the taxiing. So I got the throttle, you got the taxi. 401 Golf Romeo, you're ready for departure, runway 6 at Whiskey. I'm going to hold the brake firmly, I'm going to set 2,000 engine RPM, and there's our rotor RPM. I'm going to put the stick forward and to the right, and press the pre-rotator. Once the engine starts to spin the rotor, I add a little bit of throttle so that the engine doesn't bog too much. Once we get through 120 rotor RPM, which we are, stick forward and straight. There's 270, 280, 1 release pre-rotator, 2 stick full aft, 3 release wheel brake, 4 power initial. We got full power and nose wheel comes off the ground. We're balancing on the mains and we leave the ground. Accelerate to 60 knots, climb out at 60 knots, and I'm trimming nose up. Plenty of right rudder because we're dealing with all that engine torque, and off we go.
Actually, the feedback on the stick is not bad at all. It seems a lot worse if we're looking at the videos.
Well, it depends on the unit you fly. This one happens to be particularly smooth.
Yeah.
You got the controls, you got the pedals.
The steady as a rock, really.
It is, it is. Go ahead, let go of the stick. If it wants to roll a little bit, you got roll trim. Just like the helicopter, you have a light amount of pressure on both pedals and you lock out of position.
It's amazing how stable it is.
Yeah, it is. We can trim it out. So, here's 30 knots. And we're just
engine is doing nothing for us right now.
No, just a little bit of wash over the tail.
Yeah.
Not much of shit.
But like, we're not in auto rotation though.
No, it is auto rotation. It's auto rotation since we left the ground.
Oh yeah, but like, is this like simulating an engine failure?
Yes.
So this is how much time you have to get organised and get to the ground.
Yeah, it's already flying for you.
Jesus Christ.
You are. You've entered an auto rotation.
Wow.
You're already in auto rotation.
You hardly know what's going on.
Nope. Bayport traffic, Cavalon short final, Gyroplane, high final, runway 18, Bayport.
Basic. That's an auto rotation straight to the full down.
That's a full down.
You know, there was nothing rushed about anything.
Yeah, that was a full down.
Amazing.
I thought you'd appreciate that.
Yeah, that was fantastic.
I want to do a grass takeoff, so I'd rather get a little more rotor RPM in there. Alright, so we're going to head back to ice up. I think we might do a circuit or two just so you can see what it looks like, not grass, and then we'll call it a day.
Perfect, right? Absolutely.
Reduced about 3,500 engine RPM. Add will turn to final. If you turn too tight, you'll undershoot. The turn radius is very tight when you're doing these speeds. And don't be afraid to whip around the stick as far as left and right roll goes. Commander, okay? Every helicopter pilot wants to flare high because they're worried about the tail rotor. Hold it off. Stick's getting heavy. Hold it off. Hold it off. A little bit of left rudder. Hold it off. And we follow through. And the nose wheel gently comes down. And a stick forward.
Amazing.
All right.
There is
sweet.
There is a learning curve to it.
There is. You know, it's its own distinct machine, you know?
Yeah. I'm impressed, very impressed with it.